UV-DTF stands for UV Direct to Film. It is a printing process commonly used in the production of custom hard goods. UV-DTF involves printing designs directly onto a special film using UV curable inks. The inks used in the process are designed to cure quickly when exposed to ultraviolet or UV light, resulting in a fast and efficient printing process. UV-DTF printing can be applied to various surfaces such as car windows, cups, signs, and other non-fabric items. In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to apply your UV-DTF to a glass cup. Firstly, we will be requiring a few items, starting off with our UV-DTF, a wiping cloth, a squeegee, something to set your cup on, and your glass cup of choice. The first step before you begin is always to wipe down the surface of the area in which you wish to place your UV-DTF to make sure it is clear of dust and debris. After you have chosen your UV design for your drinkware, go ahead and begin to peel the corner carefully to remove the design from its backing. Once this is complete, gently place the center of the UV design onto your drinkware. Then take up your squeegee and run it along the center, just to ensure everything is stuck down. When that's complete, take it one side at a time, squeegeeing along to make sure there are no air bubbles underneath the UV-DTF. Once you are comfortable there are no more air bubbles remaining on the design, go ahead and carefully take up a corner of the backing and slowly peel it away from the design. Once you have finished that peel, you're done. The simple and easy process of applying a UV-DTF to any hard good is complete.